putting headers on this truck. This is getting elevated a little bit at the last of the build. Here's the part number. We had shorty headers. Okay, the kit came with gaskets, bolts. They look like hardened. Of course, we're going to use anti-sneeze. We want to take them off and cheap them off the clamp. Okay, here they are. Little bung which goes off to the side. I seen many. That's for the oxygen sensor. Supposedly they said it didn't have it. That's supposed to be 3 inch. That's going to be really nice to have. That's supposed to be 3 inches. Got that ball and socket. Not too fond of it. It should work. And it's flexible so you can adjust it. That I like. And that also makes it cheaper for shipping. So we're going to put it up and see what happens with it. So far it looks so good. It needs to go with our shorty headers. Here's the headers. They almost look like mid-length headers because they go down by the frame, but that means they're shorty. So that is them. We couldn't figure out whose headers these were or whatever. So we're going to put them on and show you how they look. Okay, so we got the one pipe on. There's a header over there. Real easy. And gives a little swing room. They line up perfectly. A lot of reviews said those bolts wouldn't line up on other headers. You'd have to modify it a little bit. The oxygen bung is kind of going up a little bit. But that gives us room with the trans, so it kind of hides under between the trans and the floor going up the hump. So it's perfect. So now, what we're doing, I really can't make a good video on how to do these. This is easy. Just put the bolts on with anti-seize and sticking it up there. So we'll talk to you in a minute once we get it done. And these are grade 5 bolts, so that's pretty good. One last thing before I put these up, these flanges are really nice and thick. I like that. So now we got it up. All the bolts are loose. The gaskets are in. And we can twist them together. That looks like they're twisted together really nice. So we'll just bolt them up. I don't want to weld them because it makes it easier to work on in the future. And if you can see, sorry about my finger, there is a decent, let me hold it here so you can see it. I can stick my hand almost all the way under there. So there is about ½ inch of clearance for the drive shaft, so that gives a little room for it to flex and the engine to flex. And these headers actually had a little bung up there for oxygen too. If you made them work. And we're going to put the cheap clamp on. I really think that clamp is really, really cheap and thin. But it'll work. And we'll put it on. I wanted to put it on last. I could have put it on. Actually, you know what? We can swing them back out and put it on.